Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mohit Sir's lecture. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, in today's video we will solve an algebraic problem. So let's start. Suppose we have been given that a plus b is equals to 1 and a square plus b square is equals to 2. Then we have to find the value of a to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11. Okay. So, first of all, we will take a plus b is equals to 1. Got it? Now, squaring on both the sides, on squaring both these sides, what we'll get? A plus b whole square is equals to 1 square. Now, a plus b square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and 1 square is 1. But a square plus b square is 2. We have been given the value of a square plus b square is equals to 2. So we will put here a square plus b square is 2 plus 2ab is equals to 1. Now 2 will be transposed to RHS. Then we will get 2ab is equals to 1 minus 2 and 2ab is equals to minus 1. So ab will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. ab will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now ab is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Write down here because we have to remember for the further calculation. So ab is equals to minus 1 by 2. We have written here. Got it? Clear? Now again a plus b is equals to 1. Again we will take a plus b is equals to 1, and this time we will cube on both these sides. We will do cube on both these sides. Cube on both the sides. So here a plus b cube is equals to 1 cube. Got it? Now a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equals to 1 cube is 1. We all know that. A cube plus b cube plus 3. And what is the value of ab? We have find the value ab is equals to minus 1 upon 2. So we will put here minus 1 upon 2, and a plus b is what? A plus b is 1. So here a plus b is equals to 1, and when we solve this, then we will get minus 1 upon 2 into 3 minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 into 1 minus 3 upon 2. Okay. So this is minus 3 upon 2 and is equals to 1. So we will get a cube plus b cube is equals to 1 plus 3 by 2, because 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 will be transposed to RHS. Then it will be plus 3 by 2, and 1 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. So we have the value of a cube plus b cube. I am writing here a cube plus b cube is equals to 5 upon 2 for the further calculation. We have to remember a cube plus b cube is equals to 5 upon 2. Clear? Now what we will do? We will multiply a square plus b square into a cube plus b cube. Why? Because when we do this, we will get a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5. I will show you. Now multiply a square plus b square into a cube plus b cube. Okay? We will multiply a square plus b square and a cube plus b cube. So this will be equal to a raised to the power 5 plus a square into a cube, a raised to the power 5, a square into a b cube plus a square into b cube. Now b square a cube, and this is a b square to b cube, b raised to the power 5. Got it? And a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5. Now we will take common a square b square, v a square b square, then a plus b will be the remaining part. How? I am showing you. Wait a minute, I am rubbing this. Okay, a raised to the power 5, b raised to the power 5, we have taken common a square b square, then what will be the remaining part? A plus b. Now a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5 and a square b square, we have written it as ab square. Okay, and this is a plus b. A raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5 plus AB. What is the value of AB? AB is minus 1 by 2. So we will put here minus 1 upon 2 whole square. And A plus B is what? A plus B is 1. Got it? And one more thing is, this is equal to this. Yes, this is equal to this. So first of all, we will solve it. A raised to the power 5 plus B raised to the power 5 plus minus 1 upon 2 whole square mean 1 by 4 into 1. Got it? Now here 1 by 4, it will be positive because minus raised to the power 2. So 1 by 4 into 1. So finally we will get a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. But it is equal to this. It is equal to this. Equal to a square b square into a cube plus b cube. And a square b square is 2 into a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is 5 upon 2. Got it? Now a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5 and 2 will be cancelled. So 1 by 4 is equals to 5. A raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5, 5 minus 1 by 4. A raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5, 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 1, 19 upon 4. So we have a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5 is equals to 19 upon 4. Okay, here we have written for the further calculation, we have to remind this. Now we are making a raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11. So we should have also a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6, because when we multiply a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5 into a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6, then we will get a raised to the power 11. So how can we find out a raised to the power 6? Now take again a square plus b square is equals to 2. Okay, now cube on both these sides. Cube on both these sides. On cubing, it will be a square plus b square cube is equals to 2 cube and a plus b ka whole cube. Suppose a plus b whole cube, the formula is a cube plus b cube. So it is like a square cube plus b square cube plus 3ab. The formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab, ab mean a square b square, and a plus b mean a square plus b square, and it will be 27. Sorry, 2 cube, it will be 8. Okay, now it is a raised to the power 6, 2 3s are 6, and b raised to the power 6, 2 into 3. Here a square b square, now we can write it as ab square, and a square b square, the value is 2 is equals to 8. a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6 plus 3. What is the value of ab? AB is minus 1 by 2. We will put here minus 1 by 2 whole square into 2 is equals to 8. A raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6. 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Got it? Minus square, so it will be positive 1 by 4 into 2. Now 3 4 will be cancelled 2 times. So we have a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6 plus 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 is equals to 8. Okay, 3 upon 2 is equals to 8. Now a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6, 8 minus 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 will be transposed, and the value of a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6, 2 8s are 16, 16 minus 3, 13 upon 2, 13 upon 2. Got it? Okay, now the final process, the final steps are here. We have to find a raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11. So what we will do? We will multiply a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5. A raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5 into a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6. Okay, we will multiply them, because when we multiply we will get a raised to the power 11. Now what is the value of a raised to the power 5 plus b raised to the power 5? 19 upon 4. And what is the value of a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6? 13 by 2. Now multiply this. A raised to the power 5 into a raised to the power 6, a raised to the power 11. A raised to the power 5 into b raised to the power 6. B raised to the power 5, a raised to the power 6. And b raised to the power 5 into b raised to the power 6, b raised to the power 11 is equals to 19 into 13. 19 into 13, 3 9 are 27, 3 1 5 and 1 9 1. 7 14 and 2 247. So it will be 247 upon 8. Got it? Now a raised to the power 11 will be same. Here b raised to the power 11 will be same, and we will take common a raised to the power 5, b raised to the power 5. So the remaining part is a plus b is equals to 247 upon 8. Now a raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11 plus ab. Now we can write it as ab raised to the power 5, and ab is minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 5, and a plus b is 1 is equals to 247 upon 8. Got it? A raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 5 minus, so it will be minus 1 by 32. Got it? Into 1, same, it will be same, minus 1 by 32. 247 upon 8. So finally a raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11 is equals to 247 upon 8, and this is minus 1 upon 32. It will be transposed to RHS, so plus 1 by 32. Okay, plus 1 by 32, because here is negative. A raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11 is equals to, and the LCM is 32. LCM is 32. 8 4s are 32. 247 into 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 4 16. 18. 4 2 8 9. 988 plus 1. So a raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11 is equals to 989 upon 32. And this is the final answer, 989 upon 32. Got it? So the final value of a raised to the power 11 plus b raised to the power 11 is 989 upon 32. I hope you all have understood the problem. This is a very good problem of Olympiads, math Olympiads problems. So if you like the video, then please share the video with your friends and like the video and press the bell icon, so you will get all the notifications when I upload any video or live any session. Next video will be coming very soon. Thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep smiling. Thank you.